All right, let's start with just an empty blank canvas screen. I've pre-selected a photo here that we can work with. I'm just going to size them up a little bit. And first step is we'll start with the background remover, hopefully get him limited down to that. And then we want to duplicate him. I'm going to set one copy off to the side. We'll go side by side with these guys for a little while. Next we go up to edit. And what we want to do is we want to grab the DuoTone. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm just going to grab this Myrtle color. I'm going to update the highlights so that it matches the shadows. So basically it just becomes one monochrome looking element. Once that's done, go back up into edit one more time. And this time we want to select blur, do the whole image, and just crank the intensity up. All right, so took it up to 100. That ought to get us where we want to go. Now it's really quite simple. We just size these guys on top of each other. Put them across like that. One of the things that you can do in this situation is if that's just a little bit too subtle, we can go up here to the position, grab the lower layer and make them a little bit bigger than the top layer and put that back there behind them. And there you go. It's that easy. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.